Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Kiwi. For those of you guys that are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're new here and you like what you see. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. So today we are going to be doing a keto grocery haul. Now I told you guys that I want to do more keto related and weight loss related videos on my channel. Of course, this is definitely not going to turn into like a fitness or workout or weight loss channel, because I am not one of those type of YouTubers. I can't get down like that. Like, I'm not that strict on it. But I did want to share with you guys some tips, and we can just share our journey and all that kind of stuff. So I figured, why not start with the grocery haul, because I did take a break from keto, and since I'm getting back on, I figured, hey, I would just journey, like just do kind of like a keto diary with you guys and share with you guys like what I eat in the day, grocery hauls, some stuff like that. But I just want to share those things with you guys, and keep in mind that I am more so lazy keto, low carb. I am not a strict keto. Today I wanted to do a grocery haul, which is where I'm headed to now. I did the Walmart grocery pickup and I placed my order already, so I just need to go pick it up and let them bring it out to the car. So we're gonna do that, and then some things that I wanted to get they did not have at my Walmart, at least in the grocery pickup part they didn't. So I'm gonna go to Publix, which is near Walmart, and get a few things from Publix. So that is what we're about to do as far as keto grocery shopping. I'm gonna bring you guys along to get these items, and we're gonna get back on this keto journey. So let me know if you guys are on the keto journey. How long have you been on there? How much weight have you lost? If you want to share that, leave it in the comment below. And yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get to shopping. Guys, so I got my groceries, and he was actually out here waiting on me. I didn't have to do anything. I just pulled up and he was like, "Is your first time?" I was like, "Yeah." And then he just brought them out and told me pretty much everything. I did have some substitutions. The only thing that they gave me two of like a smaller size of like a big thing that I got, and they gave me a big size of pretty much everything else that they substituted. So that was good, and they didn't charge me extra or anything like that. I actually forgot to put something on there for dinner tonight, so I'm actually going to run to Walmart because I forgot to get hamburgers for dinner tonight, and then I'm going to go to Publix. Try this because I heard really good things about it, and it's sugar free. So I'm gonna try this for only $2.99, so that's not bad. But I'm looking for, alright, this is good, but I don't want to pay $8.99, so I'm gonna skip that. I'm looking for G-Shoes, which I can see. Let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna start with Publix. So in Publix, I got the Lily's salted almond milk chocolate. Mary told me about these, and she said they're really good. So I got this one. Let me taste the dark chocolate one, and it was good to be dark chocolate. So I got milk chocolate this time because I'm not really fond of dark chocolate, but I'm gonna try it out and see. And these are really good because I think they're sweetened with stevia. Yep, stevia sweetened. And there's 2 servings on this bar. So I picked up some more Rebel ice cream. If you follow me on Instagram, then you already know that I've tried Rebel ice cream and I really liked it. Had the cookie dough one before, and it was just like regular ice cream. So I picked up this one in butter pecan because I've never tried this Rebel butter pecan. I wanted strawberry, but they didn't have strawberry, so I'm gonna try that flavor out. But I really like Rebel ice cream. It's really good, and it's keto friendly. It's 6 net carbs for this entire thing. Of course, I don't eat this whole entire thing. It takes me probably like a week to eat this entire thing, but it's really good when you do eat it. The 2 Good yogurts were on sale for $5. So I picked up 4 of them. I got strawberry, vanilla, mixed berry, and blueberry. And I already have strawberries and blueberries in the refrigerator, so probably gonna eat like parfaits for breakfast a couple days. And I got these yogurts to eat those parfaits. So also from Publix, I got this Weldon Farms Honey Dijon dressing. It is calorie free. It doesn't have any sugar in it, or fat, or carbs, or gluten, cholesterol, like literally nothing. It is, the macros on this dressing is just really good. So I picked this up to throw on maybe some chicken or just some salad or something, but I got that. I got some G Hughes barbecue sauce, the sugar-free barbecue sauce, and honey. They do have hickory and they have original, but I got honey because I like honey barbecue, so got that. And I got some sugar-free ketchup as well from G Hughes because I heard that the G Hughes sugar-free line is really good for keto, and just like it tastes really good. So got that. And then I got a bunch of cheese, as you guys can see. I got some mozzarella cheese because I'm gonna be making some what do they call it? Grilled cheese, pizza grilled cheese, and I got that, and I got some for fathead dough. So I may have to get another bag for the fathead dough because I think I need 2 cups for that. I got some Monterey Jack cheese for quesadillas, some almond flour, Bob's Red Mill. I've never tried almond flour. Well, I've tried it from like stuff May made for me, but I've never actually cooked with it, so I finally got some to cook for myself. I got some more coconut flour. This was actually one of the substitutes that they gave me. I ordered the Bob's Red Mill, but they gave me Arrowhead in a bigger pack, which is fine because I'm used to Arrowhead. I was just trying the Bob Mill to be different, but it's fine. And then they gave me a big bag of the Max pork skins. Before keto, I really didn't care for pork rinds, but since being on keto, I've been eating them with guac. I've been crunching them up and frying chicken bites and chicken with them. So I'm happy they gave me a party size one. So I ordered a small one, but they gave me the party size. Got some Canadian bacon. I've never cooked Canadian bacon before, so I think it should be easy. I don't know, but I got some Canadian bacon. I got some Great Value sugar-free strawberry jello. Now, I'm not going to be making my own jello. I got this for a recipe that I want to try. I want to try some strawberry cupcakes, and I couldn't find any strawberry extract, so I figured this would probably work. I don't know. We're going to try it out and see, but hopefully it gives it that strawberry flavor. I got two packs of cream cheese from Great Value. I really go through cream cheese a lot because I make cream cheese in pretty much everything, and plus I want to try that Keto Ladies cookie cream cheese thing, so I got two to try that. Got some Kerrygold butter because I've heard really good things about this, so I got that. I got a jicama. I got a jicama because I wanted to try it out, what the jicama looks like. I've heard really good things about these to make french fries, jicama fries out of them. I love turnip fries, but they didn't have any more turnip roots at my Walmart, so I got the jicama instead. And I got the packs of guac because me and Tisha love guac, and I got the 6 count of the mini cups because when we get the big container of it, it always turns brown before we can finish it. So this way we can individually get our own cup and eat that serving and not like go over, you know. So I got that, and this was only $1 more than the big one, so I feel like, you know, this was more convenient. I got some Mission Carb Balance tortillas. These are only 6 net carbs. I love these things to make tacos, quesadillas, cut up like one and put them in the air fryer, make some nachos. They're really good and they taste just like regular tortillas. Doesn't really taste a difference to me, so I really like those, and they're only 6 net carbs. So I got that. Rotisserie seasoned chicken breast to make wraps because I did have Joseph Lavish bread on the list, but it was one of the items that were sold out. So hopefully when I go to the store tomorrow they will have some. But I just got this rotisserie chicken to make like chicken wraps, or maybe to put in the quesadillas or something like that. I got some heavy whipping cream. I ordered the big one, but they substituted it for 2 small ones, which I'm totally fine with. But got heavy whipping cream. Got some pepperoni for the pizza grilled cheese. I got some pure sweetener. I've heard that sweetener, well, it's organic stevia, that's all it is, but I heard this is like one of the best sweeteners that you can get, and they actually substituted this one for what I had. I had these smaller ones, so they actually substituted it, so got that. I got some sugar-free Nips caramel because I love this candy. This is like the only caramel, well, only sugar-free candy that doesn't like make my stomach hurt, so or send me to the bathroom. So yeah, I got that, and plus those things are really good. This is another substitute. This is a dill pickle, hearty dill flavor. Can't remember the name of the pickles that I actually had on here, but they substituted it for this one, which kind of don't like. I don't really like these pickles. I don't like the taste of them. I've tried these before, so I don't know, I'll probably give it away or something, or take that. I probably won't take it back, I'm not even gonna lie. Alright, so I got some Hershey's Cocoa because I may want to make some brownies or something with chocolate in it. I wanted to have this on hand. This is natural unsweetened, so I mean it's pretty, doesn't really have anything in it, no sugars or anything like that. So if you want to make brownies, this would definitely be what you want to use. Got some Carolina Pride bacon. This was actually one of the things I picked up when I went back in Walmart. This wasn't part of my pickup order. I got this for my burgers tonight, so, and probably just to have bacon on hand. And then last but not least, I got some almond butter for try. These little packs are only $1, so it's a good way to try out like almond butter in case of, instead of paying the like, you know, $4 or $5 for the jar. Try it out, see if you like it, and then go back and get the jar. So this one's pretty good. It has no sugars or salt added, or if you just want to put them in like your lunches or something, these are pretty good. So I'm gonna try out some almond butter finally. And then last but not least, I got some organic stir peanut butter. This is supposedly like really good peanut butter. I don't know, I'm a Jiffy girl. I've always used Jiffy peanut butter, but looking at the macros on this is really good. It's only 1 net carb, and it only has 1 gram of sugar in it, so pretty good for 2 tablespoons. So I mean, all in all, it's pretty good macros, and this is the one that keto lady uses. So this is everything that I picked up, and I can't wait to try them out. So majority of the stuff should last me for, I would say, probably about a month, especially like the flour and the sauce and stuff like that. Stuff like the syrup for my coffee wasn't on here. I forgot the name of it, but I'm gonna try to pick that up tomorrow. And then my Joseph Lavish brand. So I'm gonna try to pick that up. My lipstick is gone, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and you want to see more grocery hauls, more keto related videos, let me know in the comment below. And I think that is about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every single time I upload. And yeah, I think that is about it. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.